Good morning, Royals, here in lovely Puerto Rico. Fun fact, my first time being in Puerto Rico, gone all around the world. Haven't even done a U.S. territory yet. I'm so glad to be here. I am in my hotel room. If you haven't checked out that first video, make sure you do that because that shows the room tour and a little bit of Puerto Rico when we came in. Now, we about to head to breakfast. When I say we, I mean my aunt and I. They have a little continental breakfast, and I do mean little, but I have a leftover burger from yesterday. The one, again, that's in that video. So I'm gonna go check that out and see what they have to go along with the burger. And then the burger's cold, so I have to kind of try to warm it up soon as well. Anyway, I digress. Let's go get some breakfast. Here's the fit for today. Yo, it is hot outside. We're gonna be on the balcony. It's hot, so definitely need shorts. I ain't complaining though, because in some parts of the country, it's a lot of snow. But like I said, let's go get a breakfast. All right, like I said, very continental, some grapefruit and some bagels to go, a lot of fruit, and then some bread and muffins. Yes, muffins here. And then some drinks here. Very continental, but something just to hold us on our stomach till we get on the ship. And yes, there is a microwave so that I can warm up my burger. I can warm up the rest of my burger and I can have that because it has an egg on it anyway, so yes. Warm it up. Yep. We made it in the Uber and we are now heading to the port. If you have not checked out how you can get an Uber, it's really easy in Puerto Rico. Just check out the last vlog that I posted because I got little instructions for you. I made it easy. I don't usually drop off my bag, but this thing is like mad heavy, so I'm gonna do it. So if you don't know how to do it, there's a sign usually that says luggage drop off. Can't really see it right now. And you just drop it off with the porter. But just make sure you have small bills because you should need to tip them. That's better etiquette to do that. What? Say hi to the vlog. You're on YouTube. Say yeah, hi. Say hi, Mackenzie. Say hi to the vlog. You're so cute. These are my cousins. These are my cousins. Yeah.
Daddy went up to 11.
Hey Royals, this is Sexy Sam making my virgin colada right now. and over here, he yes, make my pina colada right now, Sam. If you don't get the non-alcoholic package or any beverage package, if you don't drink, get the non-alcoholic package. Just get it for the pina coladas. You will not be sorry. This is the best thing ever. It's been a whirlwind already. Actually, it hasn't actually been that bad. We got on early, so we were able to embark about 11:30.
Way too early.
Yep, and then it was so early that things weren't open.
What is that?
Well, you saw it was open enough for me to get me a drink, though. So I got that. And now the Windjammer is open, so we just got something to eat. So I just got a little bit because I just ate breakfast so long ago. It's going to last me a few hours.
This is a key.
Yep. So if this is your first time coming on a cruise, Celeste is going to demonstrate for us because our key was right here at the top. Yes. So she has a Oceanview regular room. We're going to go see her room now. Oh, wow. Look at this. It's so cute. It's so cute. You got a sofa bed and a chair.
That means a sofa bed?
Yeah, it's an extra bed.
Oh, that's why we said Olinda could be here.
She could if she wanted to. If she wanted to get away from the kids, she could. Yep. Here's a TV. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. You got two beds. One of you and for Janelle.
Oh, wow.
Yep. And there's the big ocean view.
I guess I get to pick, huh?
Yep. You first. You get to pick on this side. All right. Here's some storage. Oh, let's look at the bathroom. And here's the mirror.
So how do you know where your clothes are?
Yep. I'll show you that. Here's her bathroom. A little tight, but you can fit. There's one person.
Yeah, that's right.
Yep, and the shower over here.
Okay.
Yep, at least there's no curtain. Just close the door.
Close the door.
Yep, all right, so here is a closet for her clothes. I think there's one over here. Oh, no, that's, oh, look, we're warm now.
Okay.
We're gonna be warm now.
All right.
Extra bedding. All right, that's good. And then you have drawers.
Okay, well, what about the clothes that you had in your suitcase? Where's the suitcase?
The suitcase can fit under your bed.
No, but where is
Oh, the suitcase hasn't come yet.
Oh, it hasn't come
Yeah,
yet.
they haven't delivered it yet. So if you had your suitcase checked by the porter, they deliver it later.
Okay.
Yeah. The good thing is we are all pretty much close. Well, not all of us, but like 2 or 3 cousins of us. So this is my auntie's room and one of my cousins, and this is my room right next to it, 8002. So let's go in and see our room. I already had the key. It's this way. Oh, and by the way, I'm gold. I don't really know what that means yet, but I just know I have a status. This is our room. We have the spacious room. But look at the size of our room. So my cousin and her child will be staying here. We kept the bed together because my cousin and her child will be sleeping in this bed. And then we also have the ocean view here with a little ledge if you want to sit down as well. This couch turns into a bed as well. And then there's also an extra chair. We have plenty of storage. Here's one here. Here's one down here. But actually it's not, well, actually it is storage. But this is also the refrigerator. One TV. And then storage in here with the safe. And then extra storage as well. There's a closet right here. And the life jackets. Here's storage here, and then the vanity set. I'm going to be sitting here as well to do my laptop sometimes. And then some of the mirrors here. So now you're asking, where am I sleeping? Well, ta-da! I have my own space over here. So to separate my section here, I have this curtain I can close. I have my own closet. Lovely. Actually, technically there's 2 beds in here, but I only need one, obviously. So I'm going to have this one on the floor, and then there's one up here, the Pullman bed. If you have another child or someone that needs to extra somewhere to sleep, you have it. And then I also have a set of drawers as well. So the con, I haven't found it yet, and I'll update it on the screen if it's different. If it's not, then you don't see anything on the screen, because right now I have not found where there's any plugs in my room. I don't think, my area. I don't think there is. So just in case, this does have 2. Here's one here, European one, an American one, and then this is another American one. I have a cruise approved extension cord that I'm going to use because I have a lot of electronics. All right, so this is the ultra spacious ocean view room. Oh, I forgot to show the bathroom, duh. All right, bathroom is a little tight, just like it was in my aunt's, but it's enough for one person. And that is the room tour. I absolutely love my room. Thank God that I have a space of my own. I'm thankful for that. And it's very, very spacious in this room. So actually, fun fact, I didn't even know that we had a room this big. I just found out right before we got on the boat. And I was like, oh, this is not a regular ocean view room. Okay, did not realize that. And I'm thankful for my aunt because she kind of set this all up for us. Keep in mind, if you have your bag checked at the port, you may not get it for hours. So we checked in about 11:30. I just got my bag and it's 5:37 now. Well, got it about 4:30 and then I just put my clothes away. When I say that to say, you want to make sure that you have what you need. If you check your bag, take it out of your check bag and just carry it along with you. But are you also the one that hangs up your clothes and puts away your clothes? Because I definitely do. Also, I want to show you this. This will be the first time I'm using this service. It is have your clothes ironed. Usually I don't. Usually I don't care, but the clothes that I bought this time, I really need to have them ironed. And it's not that expensive. 10 items for less than $20. So you just fill this bag up, put 10 items in the laundry bag, and then have your stateroom person come get it. Here's the fit for today. Today is casual night, so that's why I'm wearing sandals, no heels today. Me and my cousin are going to eat at Chops Grill, so I'm in the mood for steak. And then we may go out tonight too. So let's get going.